Hey guys, I'm out here with my 2006 Scion XA. I'm going to just do a quick little video on how to change out this PCV valve, or PC valve. So here's how it goes. It's this little one down here. Part number, well, it's a Beck Arnley. Part number 045-0329. That's the PCV valve for this 1NZ FE engine. Pull it out and look at it. So that's what it looks like. This goes in here just about like that. And this orange red color stuff is some Loctite, I assume, to keep it in place, stop it from rotating out on its own. Probably doesn't need a whole lot of torque on it to get it to stay in there, and since it's not a moving part, it shouldn't really come loose. So get down in here and get this off. Now remember, I'm starting without a wiper tray right now, so usually that sticks out to about here-ish, so it'll be in the back of your engine. That goes for the Scion XB as well, the first gen. Same engine. So what I'm going to do here, let's get some light on this. So I'm just going to squeeze this, pull it back, pull this tube off. A little hose. Oh yeah, we got some oil on that. Okay, well, I was expecting that. I wasn't expecting that much actually, but all right. Then we gotta get in here with tool. I tried a 17mm on the new one, deep. That's the biggest deep socket I have, and it would not fit over this, so it's probably a 18 or 19, probably 19. Just a guess, deep socket. I don't have that tool, so today I'm using a trusty crescent of adjustable crescent. Should probably just get a standard. Oh yeah, I might. Yep, you know what? I'm gonna go and reevaluate. I'm gonna get a better tool. Be right back. Okay guys, I took a step with this situation. I did not have the best tools for this at my disposal, so I went and got the right tools. So here's what you're gonna get. We're gonna take, I got you sitting on the crescent wrench I was going to use, which would have been the wrong tool for this job. Let's get the camera set up here a little bit better than it was. There we go. Got some light on the situation. I think I can make that work. All right. So what I did was I went and got a 19mm wrench. This is going to fit on here better. Pull this out without causing any problems for me. So I'm just getting in here, pull it out slowly. Try not to knock my lights over and camera and everything else. So guys, this is a pretty easy thing, and this is one of the bigger reasons these engines have some issues when they get older. So this is something all of you with this engine should be doing at some point. I'll show you what I learned on the internet, because I don't know much about these things. I mean, I do, but here's what the internet says. If it makes noise when you shake it, it's still good. It does appear as though mine does. Well, it does seem to be getting stuck every once in a while. Well, let's get the new one and see what that sounds like. That sounds a little bit better. Yeah, the other one's full of stuff. Carbon, oil stuff. So these get plugged up over time. This one probably doesn't need to be changed right now. This engine's only got 56,000 miles on it, according to what I was told when the car was sold to me. I don't know if that's the actual mileage on this engine, because things do appear to have been taken apart and moved around, and has dates written on them as if parts came from a salvage yard. So anyway, so this is just going back in where we got it. Whoa, some light on there. Just put it in my hand. Don't want to ever cross thread things. That's the easiest way to cross thread it, is to just try to jam it in there. And the reason I'm saying this is that's what I usually end up doing. Pretty impatient person. Learn to be more patient. Everybody should. Again, this is 19 millimeter, super easy going in. There's no resistance. I'm just going until it kind of snugs up. Doesn't feel like it really wants to move too much further. This does not need to be completely flat against the engine. As you saw before I took it out, there's about right here was where the rest of this was sticking out of the engine, and right now we're at that point. So I'm going to just give it a tiny little bit more, just a tiny little bit more right there. Good enough. Now slap that hose back on. There we go. Put that hose back in there like that. There, she's done. That's all there was to it. Alright guys, I hope I helped at least one person in this world figure out how to do that. That's your PCV valve, and that is what needs to be changed once the engine gets a few miles on it. Probably 60 to 80,000. I'm not sure what the actual service cycle is on it, but there you go. Thanks for watching.